Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off mouse acceleration in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So as you can to turn off mouse acceleration in Windows 10 PC or laptop, it's very easy. Firstly, click on Start. Type here Control Panel. Click on mouse. Click on control option and uncheck this box. Click on apply. Click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn off mouse acceleration in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. And please comment this video is useful or not.